Good morning. We're living in a time where artificial intelligence is not just changing how we work and connect, it's becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the way we communicate to the way we solve complex problems, AI is at the forefront of innovation. It's transforming the entire investment landscape, creating new opportunities and challenges for investors worldwide. AI is now the hottest story in finance, with a surge of cash fueling what many call a new technological revolution. This revolution is not just about technology, it's about reshaping industries and economies. Investors, from global giants to nimble venture firms, are racing to back AI as the engine of future innovation. Imagine smarter healthcare, self-driving cars, and personalized education, all powered by AI. These advancements promise to improve our quality of life in ways we can only begin to imagine. The potential applications of AI are vast and varied, touching every aspect of our lives. This promise is attracting unprecedented financial backing, creating a buzz we haven't seen since the early days of the internet. The excitement is palpable, and the stakes are high. Billions are pouring into companies building the next generation of intelligent systems, reshaping our world and the markets. These investments are not just about money, they're about the future of technology and humanity. In this video, we'll break down the numbers, the key players, and the opportunities and challenges of this AI investment boom. We'll explore how these investments are shaping the future and what it means for you. Let's dive into the world of AI investment and see what's really happening. Stay tuned as we uncover the trends and insights that are driving this exciting frontier. This year, global investments in AI are set to hit a staggering $122 billion. That's more than the annual economic output of many countries, an unprecedented leap showing investor confidence. AI has become the main event for venture capitalists, no longer a niche for tech enthusiasts. This $122 billion is funding everything from research to massive data centers and top engineering talent. The money is flowing into large language models, medical diagnostics, financial analysis, and even national defense. AI now dominates the venture capital landscape, taking the lion's share of funding. This milestone will accelerate AI's integration into our daily lives and intensify competition among companies. The AI era isn't coming, it's already here, built on historic financial commitment. When it comes to AI investment, the United States is leading by a huge margin. The scale of commitment and resources dedicated to artificial intelligence here is unmatched anywhere else in the world. From coast to coast, American cities are buzzing with the energy of innovation, and the nation's focus on technology is stronger than ever before. Of the $122 billion in global AI funding, over $104 billion is being invested in the U.S., about 85% of all deals. This massive influx of capital is fueling research, development, and the rapid scaling of new ideas. Investors are betting big on the future of AI, and their confidence is helping to shape the next generation of technology. America's vibrant startup culture, world-class universities, and risk-taking investors create the perfect environment for AI innovation. Here, collaboration between academia, industry, and venture capitalists sparks breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what's possible. The spirit of entrepreneurship is alive and well, driving teams to tackle some of the world's toughest challenges. Silicon Valley and other tech hubs attract both talent and capital, making the U.S. the birthplace of many groundbreaking AI companies. These innovation centers are magnets for the brightest minds, drawing engineers, scientists, and visionaries from around the globe who want to be part of something transformative. Success here attracts even more investment, fueling a cycle of growth and innovation. Each breakthrough inspires new ventures, and every success story encourages others to take risks and dream bigger. This momentum keeps the U.S. at the forefront of the AI revolution. While other countries are investing, the U.S. has a significant head start thanks to its infrastructure and culture. Decades of building world-class research institutions, fostering entrepreneurial spirit, and supporting bold ideas have given America a unique advantage in the global AI race. This isn't just about money. It's about having the talent, capital, and ambition to turn investment into world-changing technology. The combination of expertise, resources, and vision is what truly sets the US apart, enabling it to lead the way in developing AI that will shape the future. The US is setting the pace for the global AI race, inspiring innovation and driving progress that will impact every corner of the world for years to come. Let's break down how this investment wave is playing out over time. Each quarter brings its own story, shaped by global events, market sentiment, and the relentless pace of innovation. By looking at the numbers, we can see not just where the money is flowing, but also how investor confidence is evolving in real time. In Q2 of 2025, AI companies raised an astonishing $50 billion, nearly half of all venture funding that quarter. This surge highlights just how central artificial intelligence has become to the investment landscape, drawing attention from both seasoned investors and newcomers eager to be part of the next big thing. While total venture funding dipped from a record $128 billion in Q1 to $101.5 billion in Q2, AI's share remains massive. This shift suggests that, even as overall funding cools, the appetite for AI innovation is undiminished, and the sector continues to command a dominant position in the market. AI funding also cooled slightly from a $73 billion Q1 peak, but the trend is still historically strong. Even with this modest dip, the numbers remain far above previous years, signaling that AI is not just a passing trend, but a long-term force in the investment world. These ups and downs reflect normal market cycles, not fading interest. Fluctuations are a natural part of any rapidly growing sector, and they often pave the way for new opportunities and strategic shifts among investors. Blockbuster deals in Q1 pushed numbers to new heights, but Q2's figures are still enormous. Major investments and high-profile partnerships continue to make headlines, reinforcing the sense that AI is at the heart of today's most exciting business stories. Even with fluctuations, AI consistently attracts a gigantic share of investment capital. Its influence stretches across industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation, making it a magnet for both risk-takers and cautious investors alike. The key takeaway: AI's dominance in tech investment is secure, and the boom is far from over. As new breakthroughs emerge and applications expand, the sector's momentum shows no signs of slowing down. The path may not be straight, but the direction is clear: upward. Investors, innovators, and companies alike are all looking ahead, confident that AI will continue to shape the future of technology and investment for years to come. So who's getting all this money? A handful of massive deals are leading the way. Meta invested $14.3 billion in Scale AI, giving Mark Zuckerberg a 49% stake, a huge vote of confidence. Defense tech company Anduril raised $2.5 billion, doubling its valuation to over $30 billion. Safe Superintelligence, aiming to build powerful and safe AI, secured $2 billion from major investors like Alphabet and Andreessen Horowitz. These mega deals show investors are betting big on companies they believe will define the future of AI. The focus is on strategic, high-stakes investments in potential industry leaders. It's a high-stakes game, and the biggest players are attracting the lion's share of billions. The AI investment boom is a tale of two worlds. Top-tier firms like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Scale AI easily attract multi-billion-dollar investments. They're seen as safer bets with proven impact. Meanwhile, smaller startups face a tougher environment, struggling to secure funding despite innovative ideas. Investors are concentrating their bets on established winners, making it harder for new players to break through. The IPO drought means major AI startups are staying private longer, relying on huge late-stage funding rounds. This dynamic limits opportunities for early investors to cash out and makes venture capitalists even more cautious. The risk of future dominated by a few giants, with less room for grassroots innovation. The industry's future may hinge on whether smaller ideas get the chance to grow. It's not just private investors. Governments, especially in the US, are fueling the AI boom. Leadership in AI is seen as vital for both economic and national security. The Trump administration recently announced a $92 billion funding package for AI and energy, signaling AI as a national priority. Government investment boosts research, de-risks private capital, and accelerates industry growth. Policies have shifted to favor innovation, with lighter regulations to keep the U.S. competitive. This pro-growth stance encourages even more private investment. The result? A powerful public-private partnership driving U.S. dominance in AI. As the global race heats up, this strategy is likely to continue. As AI takes over finance, new risks are emerging, like algorithmic collusion. A recent study found AI trading bots can learn to collude, manipulating prices without human input. These bots can widen bid-ask spreads, making trading more expensive for everyday investors. Regulators are scrambling to keep up, but technology is moving faster than the law. Legislation like the Preventing Algorithmic Collusion Act aims to address these risks, but effective rules are hard to craft. Financial firms are now required to monitor their AI systems closely. Companies can't just let bots run wild. They must ensure responsible behavior. Policing intelligent autonomous AI in finance will require constant vigilance and new solutions. With all this money and risk, what does it mean for you as an investor? Experts recommend using limit orders to protect against sudden price swings caused by algorithms. Focus on long-term investing in solid companies or funds. AI bots thrive on short-term volatility. Diversify your portfolio with low-cost index funds to spread risk. 2025 is a landmark year for AI, with $122 billion in investment signaling a belief in AI as the main driver of future growth. The U.S. leads the charge, and mega deals are shaping the industry's future. This is more than a trend. It's a fundamental transformation. The coming years will bring both amazing opportunities and new challenges. One thing's certain: AI is the story of our time, and its journey is just beginning.